How to see your first message on Messenger without scrolling. This tutorial shows you how to quickly find your earliest conversations using the in-chat search on your Android device. First, open the Messenger app on your Android device. After that, tap on the conversation you want to find the first message in. From there, tap on the contact's name at the top of the chat to open the chat settings. At this point, scroll down and tap on Search in Conversation to open the in-chat search bar. In the next step, type in a common word like hi or hello in the search bar, since most conversations start with a simple greeting. Following this, a list of all the messages containing that word will appear on your screen. Once done, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the search results to get to the oldest messages first. From here, tap on the oldest result from the list to jump directly to that part of the conversation. At this stage, you'll be taken straight to that message in the chat without having to scroll through the entire conversation history. After this, if the results from hi or hello don't go back far enough, try other keywords like hey or thanks to dig even deeper into the conversation. Finally, keep narrowing down your search with different words until you find your very first message in the chat. And that's it. If this Messenger guide helped you find your first message without endless scrolling, give it a like, subscribe for more Messenger tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.